This is Wildcat Canyon. It's one waterfall. Huge ice chunk. This is the second waterfall. And we just walked up, climbed up that little step. And there is a cave behind the frozen waterfall. If you look up, there's a bunch of little caves that would be hidden behind the waterfall. Really cool. Should be fun to climb up there, but it's all wet. And that is the frozen fall, 70 feet tall. What do you have to say, Dana?
It's huge! I just hope they don't come falling down on us.
That'd suck. There's huge chunks over there that fell from that one, and looks like they bounced a bit. All those ice chunks. Alright, so I'm going to leave the cave. Icy. So you can see the front of the waterfall. Made it. Okay. So those are the chunks. And that is the fall that I was just behind. So cool. It's hard to tell on the video, but the ice is like blue. It's a blue color. Really faint, but still blue. So I'm just going back in the cave. Oh, I can't get up. Yep. And that is the end of my tour of the inside, or behind, 70-foot tall waterfall. The end.